Mama wakwaba midin ede Addo search him. Mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Ora Sam George and I say Honorable Sam George oye member of parliament de ma Ningo Prampram ede ensembia tudwa afa eye agenda 111 His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo ede aba. Na Honorable Sam George say Abra Oman Penny His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo ede agenda 111 eba no obomodia prayer enyebe na o make sure so obenya good contractor no the project national nsa no waye na ensem we a eye Honorable Sam George ede ebetu dwa no na Felix Apia political zone oye campaign and I say or communicate with ma NPP amayoko no abema Ora Sam George reply yeti ensem Felix Apia ede etu dwa ne nsa so bra
same people that claim utie the same people that let people know say yenye she no they will confess mebo last mebo Roxen dofia mebo but where there oye two no boy a o se na na do nye she nti afa ye ntie no oye opposition o me ntie no
the federal government is rolled out their agenda 111 and the little I could do was to try and lobby to get a contractor that I'm confident will work at exceeding speed. Right now, the government is highlighting the work at Ningo as one of the success. Because when you
government doesn't give you job, like it creates the enabling environment. Sam George said, Nana Addo MPP government rolled out the policy agenda 111. And he, Sam George, what he had to do was to make sure that he lobbies for a good contractor that will finish the project rapidly for him and his constituency. Where is agenda 111? Agenda 111 there were Sam George said, "Ono ankasa a lobby contractor and then air koso e won ho." But according to NDC, Nana Addo abobusia onye hwe me say by their fruit we shall know them. Yankoso.
when you talk to your friends in other districts where agenda 111 projects are, none of them have gotten to the level where the Ningo project has. I don't know.
Say ofa baby ayeye agenda 111 na. Baby anywa e develop more than Ningo Prampram. E hodie no e develop akonanim. Nanso Sam George betre TV suni TV3 a Akufo Addo ye failure. Akufo Addo nye hwe. Akufo so is Sam George telling us that nothing has been done in his constituency, so he should be sacked. But because you are going for election, now you cannot hide the good works of Nana Addo no more. That is why I said some party nebegu. Nana Akufo Addo, we a smart politician. Nana Akufo Addo apekwan bi the good party way because now they are going for elections, so they have no choice but to tell the truth. Agenda 119 say we no ebi wo me constituency me and my lobby for contractor. Omo betre UTV the agenda 111 where's agenda 111 agenda 1 yensi ba akupo agenda 1 yensi ba akupo and na de mo no muto muntie no
campaign. What matters to me is that the people of the constituency get a facility that they can use. If they have that completed, the challenge.
This is Sam George. Me call Ghana, na me name me boss Hudson. Any other people be A2 coin. Any fan the constituency. Na o share infrastructure egu ho. O share nyuma na ye pie no ho. Na so Sam George to me ba. Ye be kasa aban na ye hwe. And na de ye wouldn't say ye call election aso me. So if we don't go with the truth, we will lose our seat. If you go and sit there and say Akufo-Addo hasn't done anything, Akufo-Addo hasn't done anything, we will be disgraced. We will be kicked out of our seats. So let us all of a sudden come in. Let us come inside and say that indeed the agenda 111 is going on. Let us now come and say that Get Fund is actually working and building schools for rocks in Defiamepo. I'll play his own too. He's next. Liars. And will be say when you been the antisadi of Bakwa Betty Akufo-Addo. Because these NDC people has nothing good for us. They claim they had their pink sheets, ended up chasing people in Techima South. Mo be a real fisa time, no kaya. And Yakunipa 5 president no crank the first time one president accepted or no sound in the way winning or can I say the little pockets of things are unfortunate incidents you know, or Bompire said appropriate agencies will take it on and investigate. Go and read. It was in his house. Go and watch that video. Now NDC for the year propaganda and Prampramfuo, he doesn't care. Now the other sure minister says answer na yebekwa election na nkasa no na NDC for kokun crofo 5 dada o e Ashanti region yes ye ko ede ya we say the first rally dey omu na omeyi omu koto so omu nkwasi anom no wo ho no wo mu ko rally na sebi anti Cynthia sebio tipa truck ya ye defend nua timber nua ka ye defend nipa ko rally say nya moja na apeso ko hwiegu because you take Ghanaians for cheap na ya me ya. Because despite the bank of Saka and being called rally, Mahama Bank of Fubi, Akufo-Addo Bank of Fubi, Bank of Fubi, Pan Ekofro, Don Canonum, Yanum ya Asrafo, Bobo Diolaso boys, Yadi Yanteshi, Yebedia say, a Jimmy Semnan, ye de Benante, Yama minimum nibi, Suyaho, Yakwa, Yakokon Tokwa, ye is a tramo, nay, with Jimmy, nay, ha, one bassa. Yang no mbenya yang de atna tipa truck so say enkokuyen. Google that, check it and see. It's a daily guide. Check the Ghana news. Check it. Before election, so and no ni enyankwa yesi ye ko rally. Mr. Mohammed ba ye kosiano no na ya.
In some way, and Phyllis at the Outujani some working and his honorable Sam George. When's when you new account? Just when you. Aha, ya betwa benti na wo pese Ningo fo omu hu se wa ya de anase sen na ade na wa ye no enam NPP aban and his excellency na Addo Akufo-Addo ne so a ode agenda 111 e ba ya utimi eye lobbying e de bi e call Ningo Prampram eye constituency na se wan hu se wan kasa o constituency no se wan megina ho anka niam pa his excellency na Addo Akufo-Addo aya abanu ka ho ntoma nti sa ena Felix apia eka o chese endede eye honorable Sam George okotena TV so no oka na Addo bo besia wan fa anya hwe besia bebebe ye hu de chese NDC food wo chese na Addo be ye president de 00 anya hwe kra ena Felix chese besia na omampene his excellency na Addo Akufo-Addo e boy no ebi ni agenda 111 ye nda odi akọ Ningo Prampram ya wetimi di ho dance e de akire wo constituency a wo pese wo sanso eto house ntin sem sen ena Felix appear e de at